Hi, this is Mahesh Shavi, and this is a very interesting video, something that I stumbled upon recently. The basic need was I wanted to create a small app where I wanted to use it as a droplet sort of thing, where I wanted to quickly convert images into 8-bit graphics. And I was looking for an online tool which is out there, but I couldn't find one. So then I thought of Claude. Let's give it a try. I'll just go to Claude and create this app by myself. And I never thought that this will be a successful, experiment, but it was, right. So this is the app that I created. As a person with no experience in coding, I have to say that this was super easy and super fun, right? So let's just get into it and let me show you because I'm sort of excited what I did, right? So we are in Cloud right now. The entire thing is free. So I'm just gonna start the conversation by asking, um, write a code for a small converts images into graphics. So I just have this prompt, and I'm just going to click start it, and it's going to start writing the code right there. So we have the entire thing happening here. So it wrote the code. This actually works. So to run this, how to run this code, because I have absolutely no idea how to run a Python code. So you basically need to copy the code and then basically go to the terminal and run this. So copy this code into a text file. That's what it's saying. So install Python. If you don't have it, you can just install it from the site. I already installed it. And you can install this library also using your terminal. So we can do that. Now this code, right, we need to save it. So just copy this, go to any text editor. So I was using Sublime editor. So go to Sublime Text, paste the code, and then save the file. And it is saying the name of the file, image underscore this title. You just save it with that exact title right here. And once you save it, the file is going to appear in your desktop like this. You can open this and you will see the entire code. So once you have the code, if you want to run it, you have to go to terminal and open it, and you can load all the images and all that in a very command prompt style way. But what I wanted is that I wanted an easy graphical user interface to do this. So can you create a GUI for this code? So what it did is that it took that code and embedded that into a graphical user interface where we don't have to write anything in the terminal. We can just click it like a regular Mac app. It will open on your desktop and you can just load the images by clicking on a button. And we can now see that the preview of this code is right here. You can just see all the stuff here. You can load the image by just clicking on that, and then you can reduce the stuff, convert to 8-bit. It already did it right there. It created a very simple a web GUI for it. We can publish it, we can again save the code and then put it out there. So if you've noticed, the first one that I created, that I showed you in the beginning, was something which was completely different. But the second time I tried it, it gave me a different version where it was able to run the code right in this window itself, which is really, really interesting. And once you do that, you can just click save image, and that image is saved I think you can download it to a file. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, it came as a web app. So the first one was, so it, yeah, it created a web app in this thing, and so it created a web app where we can just upload an image, and I could just convert it to 8-bit, right? And I can save the image, and it creates the result right there. This particular thing that you just created is called a Claude artifact. So as a designer, you can create any tool that you want to basically automate your work and make it faster. So you can save these kind of artifacts or apps that you're creating, which will fasten your process. So this again, an interesting way. Another thing that I've just recently found out is that you can create a UI in Figma and connect that to this to make it even better. So the possibilities are endless, and I just want to share this with you. Check it out, and I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you. Bye.